If you're a wealth or investment manager looking to leverage technology to earn more, this video is for you. Being a wealth or investment manager today isn't easy. Fees are shrinking, competition is growing, and your clients, they expect a lot more than just trade execution. Studies show that over 60% of investors now want their financial managers to provide better tools for research, advanced insights, and smarter digital experiences. But building that kind of tech in-house is expensive, risky, and time-consuming. That's why leading wealth and investment managers are turning to Capnote, an AI-powered financial intelligence platform that can be used on a white label basis. You can customize it, brand it, and offer it to your clients as a premium digital service for a fee. Deliver a premium digital experience under your brand, with no development costs, no maintenance, and no infrastructure headaches. Now, let's talk numbers. You can offer Capnote to 1,000 clients at just $100 per month, and you could make more than $1 million annually, all without the stress of building or maintaining the technology. You provide more value to your clients while unlocking a brand new revenue stream. Capnote isn't just a tool, it's your growth engine, built for speed, tailored to your needs, and designed to help you earn more. Schedule a free discovery call by emailing team@capnote.com. Let's show you how it works.